GM guys, welcome back to the Ladders Club. Now, a lot of people asking what is good in this morning. The market is dumping. Everything is in such a confusing state wherein the equities is going up and crypto is going down. What is happening? When is crypto gonna go up? Forget about crypto guys. Forget about crypto moving towards the upside. Focus on trading. Focus on the levels. Focus on the perfect risk management. There are so many tickers in the market, including stocks, including Forex, including crypto. You just trade with proper risk management. Treat it as a business, and this is what we do in this channel. This is exactly what we do. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why the market is dumping, what is happening, and how to prepare for the next trades, and also what are the next trades. So, 10 minutes of your life. If you enjoy the content, press the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's go! The biggest news from yesterday is that the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points. And you know what happened after that? The market dumped. Equities went down. Crypto went down. And a lot of people complaining about it. A lot of people saying that the market should have pumped on this news. No, guys, the market will never pump on this news. Why? Because of efficient market hypothesis. According to EMH in finance, if there is a known information that comes out as a news, the market will always take that as a sell the news event. And that is exactly what happened. 94K was the top for Bitcoin yesterday, and that is where our short position was as well. In the last YouTube video, I talked about the short position. In Discord yesterday, I talked about the short position. I've already closed my trade, but if you took it, congratulations. If you're in the trade, congratulations, TP. But be on the right side of the market, guys. Now, some people also saying that, oh, QE is coming up, so market should have pumped on that. Fed is ready to buy 40 billion in T-bills over the next 30 days from tomorrow. Yes, this is good. This is going to happen. The effects of QE are going to be good for the markets, but this was a known information as well. This was actually leaked last week. So if there is a known information, then the markets won't pump. EMH, guys, efficient market hypothesis, it's very simple. Also, the dot plot was literally the same like the last time. So why would the markets pump? It's very simple, guys. Just keep trading, be on the right side like we are. This is our December log, and we have been tracking our trades since 1st of December. We have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades until now, out of which one has been a loser trade, Sui. Very bad trade, and then one was a break-even trade, which is hyperliquid. Apart from that, 3 winners, and I've got more trades. I'm going to talk about Solana, which is my next trade. I'm going to talk about more charts and setups that I'm looking at right now. So be patient, just 5 to 6 more minutes, and then you'll be free to go, guys. Also, we had a loser in hyperliquid, which is why our Bitfunded went from 105K to 101.5K, but we're still in profits. And I'm going to pass this thing with you all. I'm definitely going to pass this Bitfunded challenge with you all. Whether it takes time, doesn't really matter, but we're going to do it with proper risk management. Now, I want to say congratulations to everyone who's watching this video, everyone who's trading, and everyone who's investing in the crypto industry. Why? Because market right now is at extreme fear and extreme anger. People are actually quitting crypto, but people do not understand. If you see this chart, top 10 assets from 2015 to 2025, out of top 3, 2 are crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you are in the right industry. Some people were just holding wrong tokens. They were hoping for that 20x, 30x, 40x from meme coins and stupid things. No, you don't do that. You hold good things and you trade narratives. You trade narratives with proper risk management. You are quick with the thinking. That's how you're going to win in this industry. Or you just become a holder, guys. For example, look at this. Corporate Bitcoin holdings have surged from 197K BTC to 1 mil Bitcoin. Whereas if you look at what's happening with the retail spot volume on exchanges, then it's gone down 28% from November to October. So when retail is leaving, corporates are actually buying. Institutions are actually buying. And this is what we want to see as well, right? Now, guys, everything is sidelined. What are we trading? What are we trading, Kapoor? That remains the main question. And from now until the end of the video, I'm going to talk about the charts. I'm going to talk about the trades. The first trade I want to talk about is Solana. Solana Breakpoint conference has already started in Abu Dhabi. And guests are coming up. There will be a lot of triggers. There will be news regarding the Solana ecosystem tokens. I'm going to keep you all up to date on Twitter. So you need to follow my Twitter for that. It's free. Not asking for any money, guys. Don't worry about it. And when it comes to Solana Breakpoint, I've got this chart ready, which shows you all the Solana Breakpoint conferences which have happened in the past. So if you actually look 1, 2, 3, 4 in 2021, Solana conference started, price dumped 40%. In 2022, Solana conference started, price jumped 70%. 2023, price actually went up. 2024, the price went down. So I'm not going to say that the price is going to go up or down, but all I can say is that the market will be super volatile from here. And when we know that the market is going to be volatile, we look at the extreme levels. We always look at the extreme levels, all right? So when you look at the Solana chart, you can see that it is trading in this range, this 27-day long range, which is from 123 level until 145. Right now it's sitting at in the middle. So it's in no man's land, but soon it's going to come back to the support, and the support is at 123. And this is going to be my next trade. This is going to be a trade in my log here, Solana, at 123. $123, guys. Let me fix this. Exactly. It's going to be on my Bitfunded account, and it's going to be on my real account. This is what I'm looking for. The stop loss is going to be 4 to 5%. And in my opinion, we're going to get this trade, and I'm going to take profits according to my risk management. My first TP is going to be 128. My second TP is going to be around 133. And the third TP is going to be top of the range, which is 140, 145. That is the trade, guys. Now you can take it on Bitfunded. Bitfunded remains the best place to take the trade. This is my last trade from Hyperliquid, which I took. But all you need to do is, so this is what I do. I just go and I set my limit order. I'm going to do it for 123. I'm going to just utilize 2% of the portfolio, and I am going to buy a long. Now, very important to have your stop loss ready. So you can put your stop loss. I'll do it later, but you have to put your stop losses and take profits. So this is my next trade. This is the trade I'm looking at. Now, moving ahead, pump fund. So many people talking about pump fund. I've got the perfect level, that level which I really want, and I'm going to wait for eternity for this level to get hit. And the level is 0.002265. That is the level which I'm looking for. It's the all-time low level for pump fund. It's actually breaking down, and I believe that price is going to come back to that level. I'm going to write it again. I think this chart says the level. This chart is wrong. The level is, this is the level, guys. This is the right level. I'm going to fix it on the chart too. This is the level. Look. Either you get the perfect entry or just don't focus on the entry itself. 0.002265, right? Now what's happening with pump fund? Why do I believe that pump fund is going to go down? First thing, they've got unlocks coming up. So pump fund has got unlocks coming up in December. That is the first thing. Yes, they have revenue. Yes, they are buying back their own tokens, but they've got unlocks as well now, right? The second thing is that the lawsuit behind them. This lawsuit can actually, suppress the price towards the downside. It's actually doing that. Pump fund is holding well, to be honest with you, but the price can come towards the downside because of multiple reasons like unlocks, like this lawsuit, plus the volume. If you actually see, Polymarket and pump fund volume are almost at par now. So this Polymarket, this prediction markets meta is going towards the upside, whereas people are actually leaving trenches for that meta. So if people leave trenches, pump fund is going to make less money. If pump fund makes less money, they're going to do less buybacks. So there will be pressure on the price because people are expecting way too much from pump fund. So it is going to come down, and I'm going to tap this level. And obviously, I can do it on Bitfunded. I can actually do it on Bitfunded. All I need to do is type pump fund and get my order sorted. Not a lot, guys, not a lot. 2 to 3% of your portfolio. You're not taking a lot of risk, okay? And you just place your limit order. Now, link is in the description for Bitfunded if you actually want to do it. The next chart we are looking at is Hyperliquid. It is breaking down, guys. It's breaking down. Look, I've got Hyperliquid in my spot, and right now it's breaking down. Not at all good, but I'm going to tell you why it's breaking down, and I'm going to tell you why it remains one of the best positions for me and how I'm going to trade it. Look, this is not tradable at the moment. It's not at all tradable, so I'm not going to say long it or short it as well. I'm going to just tell you what's happening here. So firstly, like people are talking about how lighter has been doing more volume than hyperliquid for 7 straight weeks now. Oh, that is such a big deal. No, it's not, guys. It's not. All these perp dexes which have more volume than hyperliquid right now have some kind of incentive program going on, whereas hyperliquid does not have any kind of incentive program. And hyperliquid is actually doing a lot of volume, is making a lot of revenue, and has a lot of open interest as well. Let's compare it. Let's compare hyperliquid with Astra, Lighter, and EdgeX. If you see what is the perp volume for hyperliquid without any incentive program, it's 9 bill and the open interest is 7 bill. Whereas Astra, look at the open interest. Lighter, look at the open interest and the ratio between perp volume and the open interest. EdgeX is the worst. Now people saying, oh, EdgeX is making more revenue than hyperliquid. No, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's all because of this wash trading and incentive programs. Hyperliquid does not have that. But why is hyperliquid falling then? Hyperliquid is falling because they had this unlocks, they've got this, FUD going on that other perp dexes are going to take over, not going to happen. Plus, a few whales are long hyperliquid and they've got their liquidation levels at $25 and $21 respectively. The largest hyperliquid long on HL holds a 56 million position and the liquidation price is $21. Market loves to hit these liquidation prices, and I believe that the market is going to hit the liquidation price for these whales. Look, $25 is not that far. $25 is very achievable for the price. So if it comes here, one of the whale is gone. $21, the next whale is gone. And then the price can go towards the upside. It's literally sweep the liquidity and move towards the upside. That is what I'm waiting for. No trade right now, please. I'm not giving a trade at the moment. All I'm saying is focus on this chart. It's going to give you one of the best entries. If hyperliquid actually goes down to $25, that is a 60% discount. If it goes to $21, then that is going to be a 65% discount on hyperliquid, which is one of the best tokens when it comes to metrics, one of the best tokens when it comes to teams, and one of the best projects in crypto. Understand that, guys. The final chart I want to show you is Luna Classic. So today you've got this Dogecoin sentence happening, and I believe the price is going to go down after this. There is right now 60% chance that there will be a 9 to 12 years of prison. Now, I'm not saying play this bet on poly market. All I'm saying is short Luna Classic. Short Luna Classic. My perfect level was over here, 0.0000719. But it did not get hit. So in my opinion, this double top is going to be a good one as well. So if you go on 8-hourly time frame, you can see how right now it's forming this double bottom. And the price is going to move down. It's going to go back. It's going up only because of this stupid meta, which is Dogecoin sentence and that CoinDesk reporter wearing the Luna Classic t-shirt. So there is no point holding on to this thing. I believe it's going to come down super fast to the bottom. So it's very tradable, guys. Make sure you trade this. I'm going to log all of it in my December log, which is Solana as well as Luna Classic, guys. Other than that, focus on the right things. So now you know why the market was dumping after FOMC. Because of efficient market hypothesis. Very simple. Known information, there will be a sell the news event. Now you know why the market is in this fearful and angry situation and what you need to do for that. Right? Follow proper risk management, guys. We talked about the Solana trade, the breakout conference trades that can happen, the hyperliquid situation right now, and I'm not trading it, plus the Luna Classic short position. So everything is in front of you. I am being transparent as I can right now, guys. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I'm going to answer to all of them, and I'm going to see you in the next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.